Hi, we're back again with another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday with me, Sam Ashdown from Firewave. Left brain versus right brain. What's that all about? What's it got to do with your marketing? Great question. Thank you for asking. So, first of all, what does left brain and right brain, how do they work together? Why are they different from each other? I'm very left brain. David's sat behind the camera. He's very left brain. Tilly's also sat behind the camera. She's very right brain. We process information in different ways and we prefer that information to be given us in different ways. Left brain people are all data, facts, analytics, processes, systems, reporting and planning. Right brain people aren't like that. They don't understand these things. They want these things, images, feelings, emotions. They make decisions based on instinct, gut feeling, and they're like colours. Bizarre. What's this got to do with marketing and selling and buying houses? Okay, so if we go to this screen here, what you'll see is the right brain, those people who are making decisions based on emotions, like things like photography or the images that you take, especially the lifestyle images. They love the brochure, they love the experience of going through the brochure and the experience of working with you as a team. They like the viewing itself. They'll spend ages on the viewing, maybe a couple of hours even on a big house. And they like the written description. That's how they buy a house. Left brain people, like me and Dave, are not like that. We buy on logic. We don't even need to go in the house to decide if it's a good purchase or not. We can see that from the outside and all the data we can find out about it. We like the floor plan. We like the price per square foot. We like the details and the specifications of the house. We like to know the distance from places. We like to know the exact location, and we'll probably look at it on Google Earth and even measure the back garden. That's the way that we buy houses. Now, if you were going to sell your house now, you would need to know whether you were buying or whether you were appealing to a left brain or right brain person and how you're going to do that. But you want to appeal to sellers. So you need to know how these people think so you can make your marketing work so much better. Every single month, we write an amazing letter like this for our beautiful, sometimes they are beautiful actually, clients, Firewave clients. And we also create for them a fantastic blog post and lots and lots of other content. So if you'd like to know how you could get your hands on these fantastic pieces of content for your agency, you first need to know whether your area is available. So all you need to do is, I had it on the board, I've now not got it on the board, go to www.fire-wave.co.uk/start. And that'll at least tell you a little bit about how Firewave Spark and Flare work and whether your area is available. And if it is, let's have a conversation and let's try and help you appeal to those left brain and pesky right brain sellers. Bye for now.